What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another bang for y'all, man. Now, we already in the second half of 2023 pretty much, 7 months done passed by. This year low-key flying by, man. And in between that time, a lot of heat been coming out. A lot of trash too, but a lot of heat, in my personal opinion, has been coming out. Now, granted, like I said, there is a lot of trash pairs that have came out, in the first half of this year, pairs I didn't care for, that other people might have cared for, and vice versa. But we're not here to talk about the pairs that that people don't care for. I'm here to talk about my top 5 pickups from the first half of 2023. So sit back, relax, get yourself something to drink, some popcorn, so whatever it is you might want to get. And this is my my little top 5 pickups from 2023 first half. All right, coming in at number 5. This is a particular order, so number 5 technically. Coming in at number 5, man, we got the Nike Airship, or the Nike Jordan Airship is what they call it, every game. So I did my review on these already. You've subscribed to my channel, you've seen the videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you're missing out, man. I'm telling you, I got heat, what I'm saying? I got videos for days, and I got plenty more videos coming. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for me, what I'm saying? But enough of that. These are the Airship every game. One of my favorite pairs that are released so far this year. Definitely a sneaker that has been slept on in my personal opinion, but the colorway, this UNC blue colorway, to me is one of them undefeated colorways, man. It's a beautiful colorway, a dope sneaker. Doesn't really get that much love. Has the shape of an Air Jordan 1, crazy details, got every game on the back of it right there in cursive. And that real nice suede on this sneaker as well, man. You got the cracked leather around the whole entire upper of the sneaker, man. These one of them shoes that people really didn't just care for some reason. I went to the Alma Manera store out here in Houston. I was there for the cop for retail, no issues, no lines, no none of that, because people didn't really want these shoes. But me personally, I like them, what I'm saying? I can't hate, I can't say they're bad sneakers. Honestly, it's not a bad sneaker. It's actually a very, very beautiful sneaker. And with the cream laces, man, it's just the cherry on top with like a little bit of icing around, what I'm saying? But overall, man, beautiful sneaker. This is my number 5 favorite so far this year. But enough about this one, man. Let's get on to the next one. Coming in at number 4, man, you got y'all see it, man. Y'all already know what these is. If you don't know what it is by now, like I said, check my videos, check my, I did a review on these too. But with all that being said, man, the Thunder Force, definitely another one of them pairs, in my personal opinion, that was low-key kind of slept on, I guess, what I'm saying? This is a very special pair to me because honestly, back in high school, I wanted these shoes so bad, but wasn't able to cop. Was it high school? Was it 2013, 2012? One of them years. But when I was younger, I wanted these shoes so bad, man. Was not able to cop, what I'm saying? Didn't get them back then when I wanted them, but now that I'm older and have the funds to do so, I figured, these did a retro at the perfect time, in my personal opinion. And I said, yeah, it's time to add these bad boys to my collection. So these Thunder 4s, the yellow, not the red Thunders, not them other, whatever Thunders, but these are the OG, what I'm saying, the real Thunder 4s, man, like the ones that came out back then. So this is a pair that's very near and dear to me that I'm glad that I finally do have in my collection. Only wore them one time, and you can see not that much wear and tear on them, but overall, man, still a beautiful sneaker, beautiful colorway, that black and yellow. I mean, if you a Steelers fan, which I don't know why you would be, but if you are a Steelers fan, this might be the, what I'm saying, that pair for you. But other than that, man, dope sneaker, it's easy to wear, just black and yellow, what I'm saying? I wouldn't say there's no really hard to put together outfit type of sneaker. So this one of them ones that I'm glad to have in my collection finally is here, what I'm saying? It wasn't no, the resale on these isn't crazy, so you don't gotta worry about if you did miss out on the retail drop, you can get these for resale for a pretty good price. These ain't no, what I'm saying? These ain't no Travis Scott's, nothing like that. These are just some regular, what I'm saying, Jordan 4s, but a beautiful pair at that, though. Not just no plain Jordan 4s. It's a beautiful pair with amazing packaging as well. What I'm saying? Like the box on these joints is, I like the box. What I'm saying? I like that, that black with that little speckle, whatever you want to call this stuff all over the whole box. But it's a dope sneaker, man. But enough about that. Let's get on to the next one. All right, coming in at number 3. Now this pair, you can say, the hype beast to me kind of came out a little bit, what I'm saying, for this pickup right here. But it's okay because I like them. I like what I like, what I'm saying? I'm not going to say that my personal top 5 is going to be your personal top 5, but this is this is my top 5. But thought that being said, man, coming in at number 3, we got you see the box, man. You know that Travis Scott box right here, man. These them olive guys right here, man. If you ain't know, you finna know what it is. But once again, got a review for these on my channel. Check that out, man. You know what I'm saying? So show my channel some love. But anyways, man, these olive Travis Scott lows, a beautiful sneaker, man. Crazy colorway. This was a woman's exclusive, but it did come in extended size of some, you know, the big feet guys out there who want to get these. You know, I don't understand why it had to be woman's exclusive, but you know, of course, women need their personal pairs too. No, they need their love, of course, always. But I am a fan of this sneaker. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite pairs they released so far for the first half of 2023. Might be for the whole year. You know, it might be one of my favorites for the whole year. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? Sometimes pairs get surprised and drop throughout the year, but that's rare that something like that would happen. But it's a possibility. But overall, man, nice packaging. It did come with extra laces. Got the laces somewhere. I don't got them in the box with me right now, but you got my review. You know what I'm saying? You check that out. But overall, dope sneaker, easy to wear. You can wear these joints with so many different things, man. To a wedding, to a date, to, you know what I'm saying, to the club, if you into all that kind of stuff. But overall, man, these are a beautiful sneaker. You can't go wrong with it. It's one of them ones that it's gonna turn heads. You know what I'm saying? People gonna ask, hey, yo, how much you know what I'm saying? People like, hey, how much you pay for them? Don't worry about it. I paid a decent amount for them. You know what I'm saying? Hey, start counting my pockets, play. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about all that. But you know what I'm saying? Enough about this sneaker. Once again, beautiful shoe, beautiful snap. Look at that reverse swoosh right there, man. That reverse swoosh, that swoosh is so beautiful. But enough about this sneaker, man. Let's get on to the next one, y'all. All right, man. Coming in at number 2, got another sneaker that I was excited. It came out a little earlier this year. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere towards the beginning part of 2023, but it's a beautiful sneaker that is iconic, it's classic, it's, you know what I'm saying, it's one of them ones that as a sneakerhead, you want to have your collection. But if you see this box, you kind of already got an idea of what it is. If you are into sneakers, you should know what this box is. If not, you know what I'm saying, once again, I got a review video on that as well. But enough about the box, man. Let's get into it. One of my favorite pairs to release so far this year, that's the REIMAGINED white cement 3s, man. This is one of them ones that I have got a decent amount of wears at it. You can see that little creasing right there. You know, that shows that I wear my sneakers, man. I'm not one of them people who just buy shoes, just sit them up in the box, sit them behind me and just have them for display. I wear my sneakers. I don't mind wearing my sneakers, but I do take care of my sneakers. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna beat them into the dirt. But this is one of them pairs that I'm glad that we got a retro. I'm glad they didn't do too much with the reimagined thing with this nigga. They didn't try to, you know, go above and beyond to make the shoe look so old and distressed. But all they did was add like a little aged look to the midsole, to the heel tab right there. You get that Nike Air, that beautiful Nike Air right there in the back. That's one of my favorite pieces of this sneaker, man. Anytime you got a Jordan 3 or a Jordan 4, you get that Nike Air right there, man. You got that brand of approval, that stamp of approval on that back right there. Yeah, that's one of them ones. But overall, man, great sneaker. You can really wear these for almost anything, man. You know, base color white, majority white sneaker with the little elephant print on there as well. You can't go wrong with this colorway of the Jordan 3, man. One of my favorites to release so far this year. Still gonna probably be on my list at the end of the year as well, because my list might it might fluctuate depending on what else comes out in our cop. So could go up, some shoes could go up a little bit, some might go down. It just all depends on what, you know what I'm saying, what else come out, what else I want to cop for the remainder of the year. But enough about these beautiful reimagined 3s, white cement 3s at that. Let's get on to the next one, man. All right, coming in at number 1, man. Now, this is a pair that I really do believe is a candidate for sneaker of the year. Me personally, I'm a major fan of this shoe. It's one of my favorite silhouettes, so of course I'm gonna be just a little bit, not a whole lot, just a little bit biased towards these sneakers right here. That's because, I don't know, this silhouette, the colorway, just everything about this sneaker, it sits very near and dear to my heart. And I'm a fan of these, and I'm sure if you've seen them, you're probably a major fan as well. But with all that being said, man, that shoe right there, man, them SB4s, beautiful pair, man, beautiful pair, beautiful shape. Colorway is amazing. I love green. That's one of my favorite colors. You know what I'm saying? So you get that pine green, get that gum bottom right here around the back part and on the front right there. Get that nice little suede around the toe box, the upper part of it. And once again, I do wear these, so y'all can see a little love. You know what I'm saying? I don't call them creases, I call them love. That's how you know I love my sneakers and I wear my sneakers. You know what I'm saying? But overall, beautiful sneaker. Get that Nike SB branded on the heel tab right there. That's dope, man. This pair, man, I can go on and on about how beautiful this pair is to me. This is one of those shoes that I wasn't expecting to release, but when it did, you know what I'm saying, I was like, okay. Because at first they was giving us images of the Black Hat 4. There was gonna be a Black Hat SB, you know, 4 coming out. That's what the original was. And then all of a sudden, this colorway came up. I'm like, oh, this is different. You know what I'm saying? They doing something a little different. That pine green look and the leather quality on these guys, man. Like, this is a beautiful sneaker, man. This is definitely one of them ones. One of my favorite releases of the year, if not my favorite release of the year, you know what I'm saying? So far, sneaker of the year, in my personal opinion. Don't really see too many other sneakers competing with this except for the Doritos Dunks, the SBs, and then maybe the Olive Travis Scotts, you know what I'm saying, for the hype beasts out there. But other than that, man, I mean, of course you got the Cherry 12s coming at the end of the year too, so that's gonna be up there in the DMP 11. It's a lot of shoes coming out, man. A lot of pairs coming out still. Still got a long way to go in the rest of the year. But the year is going by fast though, so make sure y'all bank accounts ready, y'all pockets ready for these releases. You don't want to be copping these shoes and just buying and buying and buying. All of a sudden, the first of the month come around, you're like, oh, I gotta pay rent. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all priorities together before you start copying, you know what I'm saying, all these sneakers, because they will creep up on you. Them bills will creep up on you. And that's the last thing that you want to happen during this kind of, you know what I'm saying, whatever you want to call it. But other than that, man, these were my top 5 pickups so far. The 2023, the first half, you know what I'm saying? We still got a whole other half of the year to go. More sneakers coming out, so it's a lot more pairs that I'm excited for. What is it? The Black Toe Jordan 1 Lows coming out. I'm excited for that pair. I really do like those. I'm a big fan of those. What else we got coming out this year? We got Travis Scott has his own signature sneaker coming out soon too, so that might be something, you know what I'm saying, that might be decent, but who knows, man. We got more pairs coming out, plenty shoes coming out, plenty reviews to make, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all smashing the subscribe button, smashing that like button, smashing the share button. Tell your friend to tell a friend, and make sure that friend tell another friend. And you know what I'm saying, just make sure y'all, I really appreciate the support, you know what I'm saying, watching my videos, commenting, liking, all that good stuff, man. It don't go unnoticed. I really see all that, and I really appreciate that. It keep grinding and keep going to make more videos for that, you know what I'm saying. But with all that being said, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.